Rather than plot your layout tabs and sometimes your model tab individually, you can utilize batch plot, which is the publish command in AutoCAD. It's on the output tab here on the ribbon, and that's in the 2D drafting and annotation workspace. And there's batch plot there, and as you can see, the call out there is telling me that it's the publish command. So if I click on batch plot, it's actually a very, very big dialog box. However, if I come down here and click on hide details, that makes it a bit smaller, and I can click and drag it down a bit. Now, I don't need those details right now. What we're going to look at is actually just publishing the drawing we've created in the previous exercises with the layouts that we've set up and the page setups that we've set up. Now you'll notice there's the name of the drawing there. I'm just going to click and drag here to there so that we can see what page setup we're using there. So it's our ISO A3 sheet. Now I don't want the model to plot. So if I select it, right click, I can actually remove that from the list of sheets that I want to plot. Now I don't want all this 1801 publish command GA either. All I want is the name of the actual file. So I can right click there, I can rename the sheet, I want it GA 1 to 30, and what I can also do there is give it a number, so I'll give it 1 dot space, GA 1 to 30, enter. Let's do the same with this one, right click, and we'll rename sheet, and we'll go from there. Let's lose all of that first, get rid of the word command as well, 2, make sure it's 2, not 1, otherwise you have 2 of the same, like so. Now you'll see there's no errors there, the status is showing that there's no errors. So what we've got to do now is go to Publish Options, here, Location, click there, and click on the little 3 dots there, and there's my location. It's a Drawings folder, that's where they're going to go. So I'll just cancel that and leave that as it is, that's where I want it to go, that's fine. It's going to be a multi-sheet DWF file, that's based on the DWFs in the page setups. We're going to prompt for name, where it's going to save to. Layer information we're going to include. Any blocks in there, AutoCAD blocks, there could be. So what I'm going to do is include those as well. Now, when I OK that now, what will happen is everything is ready to go. All I've got to do is hit that publish button. Now, as soon as I hit that publish button, it will prompt me, do I want to save the current list of sheets? So that will now send this multi-sheet DWF file to wherever I want it to go as soon as I say either yes or no. I don't want to save the current list of sheets, I'm going to say no to that. And off it goes. It's now plotting, and it will take a few seconds, but the good thing is AutoCAD prompts you that your printing or publishing job is processing in the background. Look down at the bottom of the screen, lower right corner. There's a little plotter there, just chugging away, plotting those DWFs for me. Now once that job is done, it'll let me know. I can close this now, and I can carry on working on my drawings for as long as I want. Now I'm not going to sit there and expect you to watch a little plotter in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. What we'll do is we'll look at these drawings in more detail once they've plotted as we work through the exercises in this section.